Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to get free gifts from Shein. And is it legit or not? Now if you want to get free gifts from Shein in 2025, you may have seen offers claiming you can get free clothes, accessories or even Shein gift cards just by completing a few steps. But are these offers real or just another scam? In this video, we'll break you down how you can get Shein free gifts, what's legit and what's not, and the best ways to save money on Shein. Let's get started. So, first of all, I'm going to tell you that yes, Shein does offer free gifts but only through their official programs. Here's how you can get them. Shein Free Trial Program. Shein allows users to apply for free products in exchange for honest reviews. You don't pay anything, but spots are limited. Also, they reward you through Shein Point Rewards. By completing daily check-ins, writing reviews, and participating in Shein games, you can earn points to reduce your order cost. Another way to do this is flash sales and giveaways. Shein often hosts events where random users are selected to receive free gifts. Always check their official social media pages for updates. Now, while Shein does offer real promotions, many scams claim to give you free Shein products but only try to steal your information and scam you. Here's how you can spot fake offers. Phishing emails and links. If you get an email or message saying you won a Shein gift card but it asks for personal details, don't click it. Another way is fake social media giveaways. Many scammers pretend to be Shein asking you to enter credit card details to claim your prize. Shein will never ask for that. Now another way to spot them is fake Shein product tester jobs. Some scams claim you can get free Shein products by becoming a tester, but they will usually make you pay for shipping or sign up for sketchy services. So, to stay safe, only enter giveaways and free gifts programs through Shein's official app and website. Now, even if you can't get free gifts, you can still save big on Shein. Use coupon codes, refer and earn, and follow Shein's social media. Now, answering the question, is Shein's free gift program legit? The answer is yes, but only if you use official Shein promotions. Avoid fake emails, links, and scam giveaways. If an offer seems too good to be true, it probably is. That's it for today's guide. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe for more shopping tips. Let us know in the comments if you have ever received a free gift from Shein. Thanks for watching.